Hello, KB. We are working with the letter X this week. So I want you to go into your red handwriting book. And we are on page 66 and 67, okay? So we are going to start here with our capital X. And boys and girls, this is one of the simplest letters to make. A lot of you already make it correctly. But again, just because it's simple doesn't mean we need to do it fast and doesn't mean we need to do it sloppy. So I want to show you here an example of what I am talking about, okay? When we make the capital X, so the capital X and the lowercase x, they're the exact same motion, just like the letter W, okay? They're the exact same motion. For your capital X, you are starting at the very top line, and you're going to slant all the way down to the bottom. And then you do that twice. You do it to the right, you do it to the left, okay? Again, you are starting at the top, slant down towards the right, and go to the top again, slant down towards the left. All right, none of this. No bueno, okay? We didn't use our full space, and the legs of my X are not even the same size, okay? We want to make sure we're taking our time and making nice even strokes going to the right and to the left, okay? Same thing for our lowercase x, except now we're starting at our dotted line. You're going to do the exact same thing. We start at the dotted line, slant down to the right, slant down to the left. Try to make them as nice and even as possible. Slant down to the right, slant down to the left. That one is a little bit sloppy. I didn't make that line nice and slanted, okay? Again, for your lowercase x, we don't want this. No part of your lowercase x should come above that dotted line, okay? We also don't want this. That's not even on the line, okay? We want to keep it in between our top and our dotted and our bottom line. Not going above it, not going below it, okay? So on page 66, you are tracing and writing, making 3 rows of X's starting at your dot. Then you are going to circle all of the X's in this picture. This picture is of Noah's Ark. And how many X's did you find? So you're going to look really carefully, circle every single X you can find, and you're going to put that number on the line here. All right? You're going to come on over and you're going to color the X, color the letter, any color, and give yourself a checkup. Are your slant strokes correct? Yes or no? Just be honest, okay? Let's come over to page 67 for lowercase x. Same thing, tracing and writing, making 3 rows. Then you're going to find the correct path to the treasure, okay? So we know the saying X marks the spot where the buried treasure is. So you're going to solve the maze. Make sure you're using pencil, so in case you need to erase, you can. Solve the maze to find the correct path to get us over to that treasure. And then you are going to write the lowercase x to complete each word. So look for the dark part of your line, and we're going to put a lowercase x on each dark line to finish these words, and then try to sound them out. These will be new words for us, but try to sound them out the very best that you can before you come over here and check, are your letters the correct size? All right, boys and girls, and that is the letter X. Great job.